Hello and welcome to BluzesTech Media. My name is Cher and I'm a photographer and videographer, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use Photoshop, mainly for photo editing. Now, Photoshop can do multiple things, but today we are going to actually focus on the photo editing side of Photoshop. So let's jump into it. Opening up Photoshop here, this is the home screen that you're going to see. You have your home, learn, Lightroom photos. So Photoshop can connect to Lightroom, which is really cool. Build your skills, get started with Photoshop. So the second you open up your home screen, you are bombarded with a bunch of things, right? Photoshop here they have little quick tours and little quick tutorials to show you how to use Photoshop, basic skills, basic things that you will need to know for Photoshop. So if you want to check those out, I highly suggest you do. I've learned a lot from looking at those tutorials. Great. So I'm actually going to show you how to, first of all, let's start from the basics, right? How to import a picture into Photoshop. Well, we have the Create New option, but like I said before, clicking on Create New is not going to get you to open up a picture. Selecting Create New takes you to this new document form to create a document, right? And we're not creating a document right now in Photoshop. But if you want to check it out, there are multiple templates for photo, print, arts and illustration, web, mobile, film and video. So there's multiple templates here that you can use, all by selecting and changing the presets, the width, the height, the orientation, artboards. So that's for more creating graphics, but we're not doing that, right? So we're actually here for photo editing. You can click on open, and from here it's going to take you to your Finder view, and from here you select where you want to go. So I'm going to go to Photoshop tutorial, which is what we're doing today, and I have my picture that I got from Pexels. Pexels is a great website to get free, royalty-free photos and videos for your projects. So that's where I went to get this photograph. So from here I'm going to click on that, highlight that, and as you can see, all readable documents in JPEG. So Photoshop can open up JPEGs, PNG files, TIFF files, PSD files. It can open up a bunch of files. So you just want to make sure that you have all readable documents enabled so that you can know what files Photoshop is compatible with. This is a simple JPEG, so Photoshop can definitely open that. So I'm going to open that right now. So for starters, I bet you're wondering, what is this little lock symbol that's next to background? So when we think about Photoshop and layers, we got to think about a sandwich, right? So in your sandwich, you got your bread, you got your meats, your cheese, your lettuce, your tomato, then another piece of bread. That's how you got to think about Photoshop. Photoshop comes in layers. So right now, when you import a picture into Photoshop, it's thinking it's more of the plate, which is holding the sandwich. We want to make this layer the actual part of the sandwich, right? So having this picture locked right here, we can't do anything to it. We can't move it. You're going to see this pop-up box come up and tell you that it's currently a background layer. You cannot move a background layer or change it. So right now we can't do anything with this picture. It's only serving as a background, or if you like the sandwich, metaphor, it's serving as the plate. We want to turn this into the bread. We want to turn this into our first layer so that we can actually do things with this. To do that, you're gonna unlock that. So just clicking on that lock symbol, you unlock this picture. So now we're able to actually edit it. You're gonna see all of these symbols come up here because now we're able to actually do things to this photograph. And that's how you import a photo into Photoshop. In our next video, we're going to be going over the toolbar section in Photoshop and how to use those tools to edit pictures.